Good morning everyone, Sunday morning, and this is the reinforcing plate for the Amiga A600 keyboard. What I'm at currently is removing the rust. As you can see, it's quite heavily corroded in places, and it was in this sort of condition the whole way along this edge. Now I believe this was the edge that faces the user, so it is more likely or possibly more prone to have liquids spilt upon it. In fact, that's definitely the case, because the back side here has this slot cut in it for the ribbon cable, but this also has areas of rust on it, you know. So now, interestingly or not, there's a patch of corrosion here. There's a sort of crystalline sort of substance on it, you know, barely discernible by touch. You could just feel it was a little bit sort of crystally, you know, like something had been spilled on it and then dried out. Now the underside of the membrane was stuck to that, and it kind of sort of leached up the membrane here, up onto the ribbon cable. And it was maybe that had a effect upon the ribbon in this area where the little bubbling was occurring. Now I don't know what this material or this substance was, but it was a chore to get it removed off of the membrane. It was stuck very good to the membrane, or very well, and it took me quite a lot of cotton buds and isopropanol or rubbing alcohol to remove it. So this is what I'm at now. I'm going to clean this up. I might use the I can't remember the name of it now. I've got this small bottle of fluid. It's like oil, but it's not oil. It's used on aircraft. It's a ACF 60, something like that it's called. So I might use a little bit of that on these areas which have rusted once I've cleaned them, because they won't have this protection from future corrosion like the rest of the plate does. But I haven't decided if I'll do that yet. But anyway, I'm rambling here. I'll crack on now. One last thing is I've had another closer look at the ribbon cable on the membrane, and where I thought that the two halves of the membrane had been joined in a previous repair possibly, it's not actually the case. It's actually a deep crack running almost all the way across the ribbon cable, and indeed it does sever right through maybe 25 of the traces. So the ribbon cable is shagged, basically. It's completely fucked, and it's going to need to be repaired, because I don't think you can get a replacement green membrane for love nor money. So I spent a little bit of time this morning looking into how to repair these flexible flat ribbons, and it can be done, but it's tricky. You need a steady hand and a good eye, and a good technique as well. But I think I can do it, but it's going to be a fiddly little job. It's going to be time consuming to do, but yeah, it needs to be done, I'm afraid. So if I'm going to put the A600 back into operation, and I'm not giving up now that I've put so much time into it already, so it has to go on. Right, that's all for now. Until next time, be safe, be happy. Bye for now.